Breaking news mga kababayan, nako po, eto na ang sasabog na balita sa inyo. Pagbukas ng inyong mga social media, dating Gobernador Chavit Singson sumabog sa galit at talagang may banta po sa Palasyo or Malacanang na malaking rally o big rally na magaganap. Merong panawagan po sa AFP na ikinawindang ng palasyo. Nako, mga kababayan ko, talagang matindi ang 2026 na pasabog. Grabe! Ito na po, mawiwindang si BBM dito sa mga birada ni Chavit Singson. Panoorin po natin mga kababayan. After the video, magko-comment po tayo.
We're back to Malacanang. Now I'll read to you a open letter to General Brother, the head of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Ito, nasabi ko na kanina, si Orly Gutesa, tinago na ni Martin Romualdez. Babalik na rin para gamitin nila. So dapat yung mga Navy, ano ba siya, Navy or Marine? Kayo mga Marine, hanapin nyo yung kasama nyo. Hinuli na ito, binaliktad na yata. Para gamitin nila dahil siya nagturo kay Martin Romualdez. So, ito si Martin Gutesa. Ha? Orly Gutesa. Orly Gutesa. Ha? Ano sinabi mo? Okay. Tinago na ni Martin. Anak na ni Martin yan. Okay, kung ipapaitulot nyo, babasahin ko itong open letter to General Romeo Browner. Dear General Romeo Browner, Jr., I write this letter not as a political figure, but as a Filipino who has lived through wars, coup, assassination, dictatorship, betrayal, and revolution. I have buried friends, seen President rise and fall, faced real enemies, and watched our nation collapse more than once, not because of foreign forces, but because good men choose silence. I have stood in the middle of history more than times that I can count. I know the smell of a dying nation, General. Sir, I smell it again. This time the enemy is not foreign. This time the enemy is inside our own home. You speak open about China, about Taiwan, about war scenarios, about preparing for conflicts far beyond our shores. But how can we prepare for battles out there when we are losing the most important battle here at home? Our nation is collapsing, not because of foreign aggression, but because corruption has eaten us from the inside. Tell me, General, how can China be the problem when it is that China stealing billions from our national budget? China did not mastermind the flood control anomaly. China did not corrupt illegal insertions. China did not cause the peso to crash, the enemy to bleed, or investor to flee. Let us stop fooling ourselves. The cancer is not in the West Philippine Sea. The cancer is sitting comfortably in an air-conditioned offices, smiling at cameras, while draining this country dry. General, sir, as the Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces, holds billions in intelligence funds. Billions. Are we supposed to believe that with all the intelligence money, you do not know what is happening? General,
Work is a pain in the apps.
Ayan mga kababayan, ay nako, nawindang ang AFP dito sa mga pasabog ni Governor Chavit Singson. Talagang hinamon niya ang AFP dito na bakit wala pong ginagawang aksyon ito sa kabila ng malawakang korupsyon na nangyayari sa gobyerno ni BBM. Nako po mga kababayan ko, ito ang matinding pasabog dito. Hindi naman daw problema ang China. Hindi naman daw nangungurap o nangungupit ang China ng bilyones o trilyones sa kaban ng bayan. Ang kalaban ay hindi foreigner, kundi ang sariling mga kalahi na nakaupo sa gobyerno na tuloy-tuloy ang pagkakain ng kaban ng bayan. Halaka, mga kababayan, matindi po ito. Open letter to Chavit Singson kay AFP Chief Browner. Bumulaga sa social media at ginulat ang buong mundo. Mga korap, tunay na kalaban. Halaka.
when the tricycle driver knows what is happening in our country, it is corruption. If this massive corruption escapes your radar, it can only mean two things. The AFP is being blinded, or it is being ordered to close their eyes. Neither is acceptable. Neither is forgivable to the Filipino people. And this is what Filipino cannot understand. Why are you protecting thieves? Why are you lending your dignity, your uniform, your honor to people who betrays the nation every single day? General, you know exactly who they are. Yet the institution meant to defend the Republic is being used to defend the corrupt. Stop using external threats as a distraction from the crisis happening within our country. Stop provoking China. General, of all people, you understand the cause of war. Our country has no capacity for conflict. Not when our soldiers cannot afford proper housing. Not when our soldiers cannot afford housing, and not when our families struggle to buy rice. Not when Philippine economy is gasping for life. China is not our enemy. Our enemy is the corrupt officials of our country. Look at our people. Listen to their sufferings. The peso is at its weakest, touching 60 pesos to $1. Foreign direct investment have collapsed to the lowest level in more than a decade. Jobs have disappeared. Food prices crushed the poor. Fuel is at record high. Public debt has exploded. Our country now owes more than 17 trillion pesos. And we are paying 2 trillion yearly debt payment. 17 trillion. So mga anak natin may utang na, nakautang na. For sure, our economy cannot survive under this current government. Foreign investment is very low and cannot balance our economy.
Ayan mga kababayan, ang approximately palitan po ng dolyares kontra piso mga kababayan ay talagang tumataginting na 59 pesos and 23 centavos. Ay bah, napakatindi nito mga kababayan ko. Grabe ang inflation ngayon, napakatindi. Tignan nyo sa amin, yung tubig dati na ino-order namin ay 25 pesos. Abay, biglang nagtaas. Nagtanong ako, bakit? Bakit 30 pesos na yung isang galon? Kasi nga po tumaas na po ang dolyares. Yung piso, magsi-60 pesos na. Yung bantay doon sa prime water. Abay, kinard sa amin, mga kababayan, yung pasahod nung tagabantay doon. Nung kumpanya ng prime water, kinards po sa mga customer. Tapos ito namang mga admin ni BBM, mga gabinete, isinusulong po ni Marcoleta na maging 10% or tanggalin na itong 12% VAT na mga bilihin. Abay, ayaw ng mga buhaya, ng mga inutil, ng mga bobo, ng mga bangagista. Mga kababayan ko, grabe ito. Nakakapanggigil ang kahayupan ng mga magnanakaw na ito. Ayan o, the current exchange rate in $1 to approximately 59.23 Philippine pesos. This is the mid-market rate which can vary slightly from bank or money transfer service rate. Grabe! Mga kababayan ko, matindi ang nangyayaring inflation ngayon. Tindi. Ang tindi talaga. Nakakakilabot na pagtaas ng presyo ng mga bilihin. Wala pang mga trabaho mga Pilipino.
Hope is fading. This is not China's doing. This is the consequence of greed and incompetence. Masyado kayo sakim at walang alam kundi magnakaw ng kaban ng bayan, maghurakot. To the uniformed men and women of this nation, you are being used. You are being given crumbs while others take billions. That small staggered salary increase was not help. It was a distraction. For 3 years, they will keep you tied with a staggered 15% increase, 5% yearly, until his term is over, released in small doses to control your loyalty. You are being tied like dogs instead of being honored as the nation's defender. Worse, reports now say that some ranking officials were given cash, not to help them, but to silence them, money to keep them from acting, from speaking, from standing up. That is an insult to your uniform, your oath, and your dignity. You must show the nation that the armed forces cannot be fooled, bought, or manipulated. I challenge every good citizen, including the police and military alike, to come out and stand for our country. Stand and declare that you will not tolerate rampant corruption, not to fight the government, but to fight the corruption that is killing our country. Give your uniform a new purpose, a purpose far greater than small pay increase, meant to pacify you. Rally behind the truth. Rally behind the Filipino people. Because your voice, when united, is stronger than any politician. And if you continue to stay silent, then that silence, speak loudly. It means you accept the corruption. General Browner, history is knocking on your door. One day, long after this administration is gone, your grandchildren and the history books will ask, where did the Chief of Staff stand when the nation was drowning in corruption? Did he protect the Filipino people or did he protect the corrupt politicians who betrayed him? At a time like this, your role becomes critical. I'm not asking you to violate the Constitution. I'm not asking you to remove the President. What I ask is a far simpler and far braver. Announce your stand against graft and corruption in a public place. Because today, silence is no longer neutral. Silence is taking sides. Silence is protecting the wrong people. Silence is betrayal. And if you stay silent, history will judge you harshly. The Filipino people will arrive at only one conclusion, that you became part of the corruption and that you sold the very country you swore to protect. Once again, to the uniformed men and women of this nation, do not let your silence bury our nation. We both love.
Ayan mga kababayan, nako po. AFP kinalampag ni Chavit Singson. Nakakakilabot na pasabog ito. AFP Chief Browner. Sinagot na po ito. Mamay ipapakita po natin the next video. Support ako sa Governor Chavit Singson. Dito mga kababayan, ang panawagan po ni Chavit Singson, hindi po niya hinihikayat ang sandatahang lakas ng Pilipinas na mag-aklas dito sa gobyerno. Bagkus ay sinasabi po ni Chavit Singson ay gumising sila sa katotohanan na ang mga nangyayari ngayon ay talagang massive corruption of the politician in the government. Chavit Singson not saying that the AFP will break the Constitution, mga kababayan, but to protect the sake for the Filipino people because of this corrupt crocodile politician in the government. Sabi nga ni Chavit Singson, AFP Chief Browner, hindi ko sinasabi na you have to fight with the government or to break the Constitution or law. Diba? If you're not open your mind and let it go, the so-called issue for this breaking news, you allow the corrupt politician to do their own pickpocket of the money of the treasury of the people of the Philippines. Sabi nga ni hindi ko hinihikayat. Sabi nga, hindi ako nang hihikayat kay AFP Browner na pabagsakin ng gobyerno. Hindi ganon. Gusto ko lang ipaalam sa inyo na itong gobyernong ito at mga namamahala ay punong-puno ng korupsyon. You open your mind. Support for the sake of the Filipino people. You have to protect the integrity of the republic. Kasi nga naman, pag hinikayat niya itong AFP, mga pulis na, lumaban tayo, ganon. Sedition na yon. Susunod na ito kay Romeo Pokis. Kahapon lang, dinakip mga kababayan Imbes na ipadakip yung mga matataas opisyal ng gobyerno dahil sa korupsyon, ang pasabog niya si General Pokis na parang Maduro style. Imbes na panagutin ang mga kawatan, mga magnanakaw, anong nangyari? Yung pangako niya na 20 pesos bigas, naging budol hanggang December 15, December 25, bagong taon, makukulong na mga ito, mga korap. Walang nangyari. Ayan, ang ginawa niya, pangiti-ngiti, pangiwi-ngiwi, na pinirmahan itong kaduda-duda na 2026 National 6.7 budget na yung flood control, pinalitan lang po ng kung ano-anong mga pangalan. Yung pork barrel ng mga politician o corrupt, nandun pa din. Tignan nyo, habang pumipirma, ay, kalinis na ang linis ng budget na yan. Sabi ni Tito Soto, pangiti-ngiti. Sabi ni Senador Marcoleta, sure ka? Bulaga? Sure ka? Bulagaan ang ginagawa mo, Soto? Ano yon? Nagpuyat ka, binasa mo lahat yung 3,000 pages, sabihin mo, ito ang pinakamalinis sa budget? Nga! Nga, Tito Soto, nga! Yan ang sabi ni Senador Marcoleta. Pero hindi ko sinasabi na yun mismo ang sinasabi. Yan ang sinasabi ng mga komento ng mga kababayan natin na galit sa massive corruption ng mga politician sa gobyernong ito. Di ba mga kababayan? Kayo po, ano ang masasabi nyo dito sa pasabog ni Chavit Singson na ginigising niya at kinakalampag niya ang Armed Forces of the Philippines to back up the Filipino people, to not allow the corruption in the government. Diba mga kababayan? Yan lamang ang ating reaksyon. Isang like, isang share, isang subscribe. At i-comment nyo po ang inyong lugar o bansa kung saan kayo nanonood. And I let my time to reply to each and every one of you that support our community and our YouTube channel, The Wonders Philippines. Okay po, for transparency, for a better democracy. Ako si The Wonders Philippines. Happy New Year po mga kababayan. Let's pray that this statement of Chavit Singson will spread the good news that the AFP Chief Browner will think a million times to back up the people, but not to fight with the government, but to protect the government, to not let the corrupt politician to grab our money, our wealth, not allowing the Filipino people to suffer from poverty, from so-called massive poverty, mga kababayan ko. Dahil nga po sa mga ginagawa ng mga korap na ito na pagnanakaw, grabe na. Christmas sa Christmas, 2 milyones ang kanilang kickback bonuses. Samantala mga Pilipino, 500 pesos pinagkasya sa maliit na lamesa. May isang mansanas, may isang tinapa, isang suka, isang toyo, at isang kamatis na dinikdik sa asin at pinagsaluhan natin. Okay? Mabuhay po. Salamat.